or flying saucers are being seen by the people universally from time to time. But till date, no government around the world have accepted this phenomenon. First time on 27th April, US government has accepted that UFOs are real. The government has released few video footages that were filmed in 2004 and 5. These footages of UFOs were filmed by US Navy aircraft pilots when they were flying in the sky. But the big question is this, that why US government has released these old videos officially now and accepting the already popular facts. Many people don't remember the statement made by Louis Elizondo, who was head of UFO investigating department named as Advanced Aerospace 38 Identification Program. He resigned in 2012. After resignation, he told media that there is a very compelling evidence that we may be not alone in the universe. Further, he clearly indicated about the existence of alien aircrafts, though government refuted his claims. But now, the acceptance made by US Department of Defense has proved that Louis was right. One startling question is this, that why UFOs only hover and fly in the sky and then disappear? Scientists believe that universe has more than 2 billion stars like Sun, maybe infinite. So there is a very strong probability that there would be some planets like Earth in the universe. The nearest star to Sun is Alpha Centauri, which is 4.24 light years away, that is 40 trillion kilometers. To reach it, rockets of present generation will take few thousand years. Now feel the majesty and eternity of the universe.